Hey there, animal explorers. Welcome to the amazing animal quiz. Get ready for 20 wild questions about creatures from all around the world. Grab a friend, get your thinking cap on, and let's see how much you really know about animals. Here we go. Okay, question 1. Which animal can sleep for up to 22 hours a day? Let's see your options. A, lion, B, koala, C, elephant, or D, dolphin. Think fast. You've got 5 seconds. And the answer is B, koala. Nice job if you got that one. Here's a fun fact for you. Koalas sleep so much because eucalyptus leaves, their only food, give them very little energy. Eucalyptus leaves are actually mildly toxic to most animals, but koalas have special bacteria in their gut to digest them safely. All right, here's question 2. What is the fastest land animal in the world? Here's what you can choose from. A, lion, B, horse, C, cheetah, or D, ostrich. 5 seconds to decide. Go. The correct answer is C, cheetah. Great work if you guessed right. Fun fact, cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. A cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour faster than most sports cars. Question 3. Let's see if you know this one. Which bird cannot fly but is an excellent swimmer? Check out these choices. A, penguin, B, eagle, C, owl, or D, parrot. You know the drill. 5 seconds. Drum roll, please. It's A, penguin. Way to go if you knew that one. Here's something amazing. Penguins use their wings like flippers to fly through water instead of air. Emperor penguins can dive deeper than 500 meters, deeper than most submarines go. Next up, question 4. How many hearts does an octopus have? Here are your choices. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 4. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer you were looking for is C3. Give yourself a point if you got it. Bonus trivia for you, an octopus has 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps blood to the rest of the body. The main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, which is why they prefer crawling. Ready? Here's question 5. Which animal is known for changing its color to hide from predators? Let's see your options. A, frog, B, chameleon, C, snake, or D, turtle. Think fast. You've got 5 seconds. And the answer is B, chameleon. You nailed it if you guessed that. Get this. Chameleons change color mainly to communicate and regulate temperature, not just to hide. They change color by adjusting special crystal-like cells in their skin, not by mixing pigments. Okay, question 6. What is a baby kangaroo called? Here's what you can choose from. A, cub, B, kid, C, joey, or D, pup. 5 seconds to decide. Go. The correct answer is C, joey. Nice job if you got that one. Here's a fun fact for you. A baby kangaroo is called a joey and stays in its mother's pouch for several months after birth. A newborn joey is only about the size of a jelly bean. All right, here's question 7. Which animal has the longest neck relative to its body? Check out these choices. A, giraffe, B, ostrich, C, flamingo, or D, camel. You know the drill. 5 seconds. Drum roll, please. It's A, giraffe. Great work if you guessed right. Fun fact, a giraffe's neck can be over 6 feet long, but still has the same number of neck bones as a human, just 7. Each bone is simply much, much bigger. Question 8, let's see if you know this one. Which sea creature has no brain? Here are your choices. A, shark, B, jellyfish, C, octopus, or D, dolphin. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer you were looking for is B, jellyfish. Way to go if you knew that one. Here's something amazing. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, but they can still sense light, touch, and chemicals using a simple nerve network. Some jellyfish are over 95% water. Next up, question 9. What do you call a group of lions? Let's see your options. A, herd. B, pack. C, pride. Or D, flock. Think fast, Piputo. You've got 5 seconds. And the answer is C, pride. Give yourself a point if you got it. Bonus trivia for you. A group of lions living together is called a pride, usually made up of related females, their cubs, and a few males. Lionesses do most of the hunting for the whole pride. Ready? Here's question 10. Which mammal lays eggs instead of giving birth to live babies? Here's what you can choose from. A, bat. B, platypus. C, armadillo. Or D, sloth. 5 seconds to decide. Go. The correct answer is B, platypus. You nailed it if you guessed that. Get this. The platypus is one of the only mammals in the world that lays eggs, along with the echidna. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their back legs. Okay, question 11. Which animal has the best sense of smell in the world? Check out these choices. A, dog. B, polar bear. C, elephant. Or D, shark. You know the drill. 5 seconds. Drum roll, please. It's B, polar bear. Nice job if you got that one. Here's a fun fact for you. Bears, especially polar bears, can smell prey from several miles away, even through snow and ice. A polar bear can detect a seal's scent from up to 20 miles away. All right, here's question 12. How many legs does a spider have? Here are your choices. A, 6. B, 8. C, 10. Or D, 12. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer you were looking for is B, 8. Great work if you guessed right. Fun fact, spiders always have 8 legs, which is one way scientists tell them apart from insects, which have 6. Spiders are arachnids, not insects, and some species can survive without food for over a year. Question 13. Let's see if you know this one. Which animal can regrow a lost limb? Let's see your options. A, crab. B, starfish. C, lizard. Or D, frog. Think fast. You've got 5 seconds. And the answer is B, starfish. Way to go if you knew that one. Here's something amazing. Starfish can regrow lost arms, and some species can even regrow an entire body from just one arm. Starfish don't have blood. They use seawater to move nutrients through their bodies. Next up, question 14. What is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth? Here's what you can choose from. A, blue whale. B, African elephant. C, giant squid. Or D, Tyrannosaurus rex. 5 seconds to decide. Go. The correct answer is A, blue whale. Give yourself a point if you got it. Bonus trivia for you. The blue whale can grow up to 100 feet long, longer than even the biggest dinosaurs. A blue whale's heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. Ready? Here's question 15. Which animal uses echolocation to see in the dark? Check out these choices. A, owl. B, bat. C, mole. Or D, snake. You know the drill. 5 seconds. Drum roll, please. It's B, bat. You nailed it if you guessed that. Get this. Bats send out sound waves that bounce off objects, helping them navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Some bats can detect insects as thin as a human hair using echolocation. Okay, question 16. Which reptile can walk on water? Here are your choices. A, crocodile. B, iguana. C, basilisk lizard. Or D, gecko. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer you were looking for is C, basilisk lizard. Nice job if you got that one. Here's a fun fact for you. The basilisk lizard, also called the Jesus Christ lizard, can run across water using special fringed toes and quick movements before it sinks. It can run on water at speeds up to 5 feet per second. All right, here's question 17. What is unique about a shrimp's heart? Let's see your options. A, it's in its head. B, it has no heart. C, it has 3 hearts. Or D, it beats once a minute. Think fast. You've got 5 seconds. And the answer is A, it's in its head. Great work if you guessed right. Fun fact, a shrimp's heart is located in its head, not its chest, along with several other important organs. Shrimp can swim backward very quickly to escape predators. Question 18. Let's see if you know this one. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? Here's what you can choose from. A, dolphin. B, sea turtle. C, Cuvier's beaked whale. Or D, sea otter. 5 seconds to decide. Go. The correct answer is C, Cuvier's beaked whale. Way to go if you knew that one. Here's something amazing. Cuvier's beaked whales can hold their breath for over 3 hours while diving to extreme depths, hunting for squid. They dive deeper than almost any other mammal, over 2,000 meters. Next up, question 19. Which insect can lift objects many times its own body weight? Check out these choices. A, B, ant, C, beetle. Or D, grasshopper. You know the drill. 5 seconds. Drum roll, please. It's B, ant. Give yourself a point if you got it. Bonus trivia for you. Ants can carry objects up to 50 times their own body weight thanks to their strong muscles compared to their tiny size. If a human were as strong as an ant relative to body weight, they could lift a car. Ready? Here's question 20. Which animal never stops growing its whole life? Here are your choices. A, elephant. B, crocodile. C, giraffe. Or D, tortoise. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer you were looking for is B, crocodile. You nailed it if you guessed that. Get this, crocodiles keep growing slowly throughout their entire lives, though the growth rate slows down a lot as they age. Some crocodiles can live over 70 years in the wild. Wow, you made it through all 20 questions! Great job, Explorer. I hope you picked up some cool new animal facts along the way. If you had fun today, come back soon for more wild trivia adventures. See you next time.